In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all your emails and contacts from one Gmail account to another in just a few easy steps. Whether you're switching to a brand new email account or just reorganizing your inbox, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, we'll start by exporting your contacts from your old Gmail account. Begin by opening Google Contacts and logging in with your old Gmail account credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll find a series of menu options. Click on the Export option. This will allow you to choose which contacts you'd like to export. You can select all of your contacts at once, or if you prefer, just a specific label of contacts. It's totally up to you. Make sure to choose the Google CSV format, which is specifically designed for importing into Gmail. After you've made your selection, hit Export. A file will download to your computer, so be sure to save it in a location you can easily access later. Now that you've successfully exported your contacts, it's time to import them into your new Gmail account. Start by logging into your new Gmail account and opening Google Contacts once again. Similar to the previous steps, look to the left sidebar and click on Import. When prompted, click Select File. Now, navigate to the CSV file you previously saved from your old Gmail account. Choose the file, then click Import. This process will bring all the contacts from your old account right into your new one, making them ready for you to use. Now that your contacts are sorted, let's manage your emails. Transferring these can be a bit more intricate. Start by heading over to your old Gmail account once more and navigate to the settings represented by the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select See All Settings. From there, find the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Make sure to enable IMAP, as this is essential for the transfer process. Once it's enabled, save your changes. Next, switch over to your new Gmail account. Go to the same settings menu and select the Accounts and Import tab.